When I was starting out solo on a big ADV bike, there was a certain level of anxiety about getting caught out in a remote area, whether it be on steep loose hills or in a wet boggy valley. Being solo in areas without people or mobile reception, it's hard to commit to some routes when you get there to the steep hill or a long bog hole and see something that sets off your alarm bells and has you turning around. It's a defeating feeling, and when alone, turning around is probably your best bet. I've decided to put together this series to show the terrain, challenges and conditions of the trails at the time of publishing. A sort of guide to help others riders figure out whether they want to tackle a certain road or trail solo, and help alleviate some of the doubt involved with the mind's perception of the unknown, challenging their riding skills in new terrain on a big bike. At the end of the day, the safest way to attempt these routes is with a group, and always carrying some snacks, water, tools, first aid kit and some form of satellite communication on your person. There is no implied responsibility taken with this information. Motorcycling in any environment is a dangerous activity to be partaken in at your own risk. So sit back and enjoy as I show a particular dirt road or trail in its entirety that I've ridden lately. And I'll go through a short rundown at the end of the video pointing out conditions and challenges to look out for, rate each section on difficulty for myself as an average rider, and ultimately answer the question, is this route big bike friendly? You reckon? Is it alright to get out the other side?
Yeah, once you get down to that bridge, it's just out onto the road.
Is the bridge just here?
Yeah.
Okay. Is that the hill climb you were talking about? Yeah. Alright. Huh? Get your weight back. Nice little dab. This is my first time riding this Firetrail, so I took it very cautiously. The trail is basically a 2-track with logs, trees and bushes skirting the sides, with lots of blind corners. It is located in the Yalwal area, so is frequently destroyed by rain and 4x4s. Yalwal is a 4x4 mecca, so keep an eye out for oncoming 4x4s travelling at speed. Wattle Firetrail gets very slick in wet weather, with several bog holes at the top and down near Kalimia Creek. There are several erosion mounds in the top section that can be fun, can also be hiding bog holes, so be careful. The bridge over the creek has been washed away 3 times so far, and the approaches from either side get large washouts full of loose rocks on a regular basis. The steep hill in the midsection has a short concrete section and can become slippery when covered in leaves. The hill that this trail travels down holds lots of water, and the trail can still be very wet long after heavy rain, as the water seeps out of the hill across the track for sometimes weeks after heavy rain. At the time of publishing, the big bog holes have been filled in with road base and gravel and are in good condition. This trail is relatively easy and probably a 2 out of 5 on the scale of the hardest places I've ridden. Personally, I think this trail is definitely big bike friendly for competent to intermediate riders who are comfortable with traversing the mentioned trail obstacles. Anyway, thanks for watching, hope to see you on the next one. Cheers.